If you want to change the recovery email in Yahoo Mail, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Your recovery email is very important because it helps you get back into your account if you ever forget your password or get locked out. So if your old recovery email is no longer active or you just want to update it to a new one, this is exactly what you need. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside your inbox, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open a menu with your account options. From there, click Manage Your Account. This takes you to your Yahoo account settings, where you can control important details like security and recovery information. Next, go to the Security section. This is where Yahoo keeps the tools related to protecting your account, including password recovery options. Once you are in security, look for the option that says Add or Edit Recovery Email. Click on that option to begin updating your recovery email address. Now Yahoo will ask you to enter your new recovery email. Type in the email address you want to use carefully and double check it for spelling mistakes before you continue. It is very important that this email is one you can access because Yahoo may send a verification code to confirm that the address belongs to you. After entering the new recovery email, Yahoo will ask you to verify it with a code. Go to the new recovery email inbox, look for the message from Yahoo, and copy the verification code if needed. Then return to Yahoo Mail and enter that code in the verification field. Once the code is confirmed, your recovery email will be updated successfully. At this point, your Yahoo account will have the new recovery email saved, which means you will have a better backup option if you ever need to recover your account in the future. If you do not see the change right away, refresh the page or go back through the security settings to make sure the update was saved properly. And that is how to change the recovery email in Yahoo Mail. It only takes a few steps, but it makes a big difference for keeping your account secure and easy to recover. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.